Cranberries offer a variety of health benefits due to their rich nutrient content, particularly antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Here are some key health benefits of cranberries. 1. Urinary tract health. Cranberries are well known for their ability to help prevent urinary tract infections, or UTIs. The fruit contains compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria like E. coli from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, thereby reducing the risk of infection. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 3. Heart health. The antioxidants and polyphenols in cranberries may improve heart health by reducing LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, raising HDL, or good cholesterol, and promoting better blood vessel function. Regular consumption of cranberries can also help lower blood pressure and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Digestive health. Cranberries are a good source of fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and helping to maintain a healthy gut. Additionally, cranberry compounds may inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like H. pylori, which is associated with stomach ulcers. Immune support. The high vitamin C content in cranberries helps support a healthy immune system. Vitamin C is essential for the production of white blood cells, which defend the body against infections and pathogens. Oral health. Cranberries contain compounds that prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to teeth and gums, potentially reducing the risk of gum disease and cavities. Cranberry juice may help reduce plaque formation and protect against periodontal diseases. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in cranberries may help protect against certain types of cancer, including breast, colon, lung, and prostate cancers. The anti-inflammatory properties of cranberries play a role in reducing the risk of cancer cell development and growth. Weight management. Cranberries are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a good choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Their high water content also helps promote a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Anti-aging effects. The antioxidants in cranberries may help slow the aging process by protecting skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of cranberries may improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and promote a youthful appearance. Improved blood sugar control. Cranberries have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which may help people with type 2 diabetes manage their blood sugar levels more effectively. The fiber content in cranberries also helps slow the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood sugar. In conclusion, incorporating cranberries into your diet, whether through fresh fruit juice, without added sugar, or supplements, can provide numerous health benefits, particularly in terms of improving urinary, digestive, heart, and immune health. However, it's important to consume cranberries in moderation, as some cranberry products, such as juice, can contain high levels of added sugar.